Hi guys. So it's rainy season here in Nigeria, and today is Sunday, and this is the only time I have to do my laundry. So it's raining, I have to do my laundry. So I already soaked the clothes. Yeah, basically my son's uniform for tomorrow, and this I also have to wash it first. And it's raining, and I have to wash it. You can wash manually. Wash the armpits. Wash the armpits. And the collar. It's white. It's very, very white on Friday. For the armpits. So basically, you then have to first water for now. Have enough? Yeah? Also have here? Yeah? So, I want to wash this hand here because the soap will wait. So that's why I'm really waiting this side. It's been long. 8 weeks since the last shower under the rain. If you want to watch my other shower video, you have to go watch my other channel. Yeah, I completed that with
Mother, why you lie down?
Oh my god.
It's ready.
It's raining. Oh. This feels so satisfying.
You don't have to keep that one. Behind the camera. Is that your video? What video? Your hair is just spoiled. So that's our house. Yeah. Guys.
Let's keep this here. The passage. Let's stop this one. See guys, all thanks to the rain, I have more than enough water to do my laundry. This is where I spread them. Here and here and here. Yeah, it stopped raining, thank God. It stopped raining already. So it stopped raining and just wait for the sun to come up. And that is it.